Hello, a big welcome to all my awesome learners. Let's dive into today's Chinese lesson. Today, we are going to learn three essential phrases that will help you speak Chinese with confidence. Let's get started. The first phrase is 我喜欢 means I like it. Pronunciation 我喜欢 we pronounce 我 in second tone because when two-third tone appears together, the first one changes to the second tone. Here is an example sentence with 我喜欢。我喜欢看书。我喜欢看书。I like reading books. The next phrase is 我不喜欢 means I don't like it. You can use it to express things you don't like. For example, 我不喜欢喝咖啡. I don't like drinking coffee. 我不喜欢喝咖啡. I don't like drinking coffee. The third phrase is 祝贺你. We use this phrase to congratulate someone on their achievement or happy occasions. For example, 祝贺你结婚了。祝贺你结婚了。Congratulations on your marriage. Okay, that's all for now. I hope you can now confidently use these basic phrases in your daily conversation. If you are traveling to China or just started to learn Chinese, practice these phrases regularly will help you improve your Chinese language skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Learn Chinese with Taranum. Till the next video, goodbye. 再见.